Hi, what's up mga Lods? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan. Ako na naman to ulit mga Lods, si Ruben Song, ang seaman na nakikipagsapalaran sa karagatan para makaahon sa buhay. Kaya ako'y nagsasabi, mahirap man tayo at dukha sa tingin, makakaahon din tayong lahat mga Lods. Yes mga Lods, claim natin yan. Ngayong araw na to mga Lods, yung nakakantahin natin is kanta ni James Ingram. Yung title ko is Just Once. Requested by Lodi Albi at saka ni May Cunor. Tapos na-request din to ni Nolasco Miranda Maricel. At saka yung pinakahuling nag-request nito is si Rosie Lirazan. So marami-rami yung nag-request nito mga Lods, kaya hindi ito pwedeng baliwalain, no? Subukan ko ito mga Lods, hindi ko ito forte kasi. Kaya sige na, subukan natin ito, marata natin ito.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're about to be strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Magic lasts for more than just one night. If we could just get through, I know we could break through again. I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Lord knows where I'm getting anyway. Since we're always blowing, wherever we've been going, and since the times we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can't we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I've got to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves in hand and admit to one another we're no good without each other? Make the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can Oh, we can get to it. Just once.
Iwan ko lang, no? Tama kaya yun. Basta, pagbigay ko lang kayo mga lods. Hindi ko alam kung sakto yun. As usual mga lods, huwag natin kalimutan to. May mga nagpa-shout out. Nagpa-shout out si Lito, si Ma Franca, watching from Canada. Ay, may ano pala din tayo, mga taga-suporta to galing Canada. Shout out sa Dana, Lodi, Lito. No? Ang pangalawang nagpa-shout out is si Jane Garjola from Vicenza. Shout out sa dyan, Lodi Jane. Yung pangatlong nagpa-shout out is si Baby Adil from KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Shout out sa dyan, Lodi Baby. Ayos talaga. Can you call me baby? yung panghuling nagpa-shout out si Rodela Arcaina, watching from Maraguzan, Davao de Oro. Shout out sa dyan, Lodi, Rodela. Yun lang sa araw ito mga lods. Sa lahat ng mga nanood mga lods, shout out sa lahat dyan. Once again, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa walang sawang suporta. Please follow my FB page and subscribe me on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.